To download the Raspberry Pi OS, there's only one thing you need to do is go to raspberrypi.org, and then when you go then you can see the depends on your OS. Like this one I'm using Apple Mac Pro, so so they ask me to download in for Mac OS, but like if you use Windows or Ubuntu, you can select any OS, depends on your OS. And then after download it, like you can select any OS. Like I think you can choose Raspberry Pi OS or like Ubuntu, or you can do the manual. Yeah, like if you look at this, you can follow the instruction here with to download the Windows stuff, and after that you connect to the SD card, so which is going to be in here. Like you're gonna put the after download from this program, you're gonna you need to insert the SD card in here, so it's gonna work. Okay. Shit, look at this. So I connected with the Wi-Fi module, and then the mouse. I mean, like I have the keyboard in here, but like I'm not gonna use it. Anyway, should we try? Oh my god, this is going to work. I connected with Raspberry, and look at this, it's connected. I mean, like I didn't expect like I can do this quite easily. And so let me connect with my mouse and the Wi-Fi thingy. I'm going to be in Canada. Oh, come on. Canada English and time zone. Toronto. I'm gonna use the English language, and then use English keyboard. Unless if you don't check, then it's going to be in British language. I mean British keyboard as next. Well, let me just wait for a bit. And this, after you wait for a bit, then it's gonna ask you to change the password. But the default password is Raspberry Pi and Raspberry, and as you can see here, and I'm not gonna change it because I know I'm gonna forget it anyway. Click next. Set up this screen. What's this? The task should be filling. Yeah, we want to make it as full, and then this is my home address, my home Wi-Fi. Let me come back because I forgot the password. After you connect it with internet, I mean the Wi-Fi, you can see the update software here. Blah blah blah. Please. I might do update. I mean, I don't know how long it's gonna take, but still. Yeah, I mean, like I just gonna wait for a bit, and then I'm gonna see how it's gonna work. So the update is completed now, and the black bit is gone now, and then now I can try have a look the programming this part. Like, oh, that's good, Python here, and internet. Oh yeah, we got Chrome and VLC player, image viewer, calculator, SD card, copier, terminal. This is crazy. Like, I mean, I got my Raspberry Pi from my best friend. He's in Poland at the moment. And shall I have a look? The Chrome. Please. It's gonna work. And now, like, I connected with the power supply here, and then the HDMI, and then the Wi-Fi module here, and then mouse and keyboard. Oh, look at this, it's work. Shit. Should we visit my website? Well, actually, let's visit my blog. Not my blog, my portfolio. ID brand dot github.io. It's gonna work. Shit, this is crazy. It actually works. But no, the website is a bit slow. Oh, well, and I put the 3 grid. Like, the template is 3, but like the issue is 4, so I need to fix it anyway. And yeah, this is my first my first Raspberry Pi experience. And thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and give us a like as well. Bye, see you next week.